Hey yo, welcome to TA Boo Play, your trading buddy. So in our each video, we will be discussing 3 to 4 stock counters from the US market and also the Malaysia market. We will be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe chart is the best insider. Chart is your best friend. It will tell you the story behind if you're able to read through it. So without further ado, let's get into the chart. So the 4 counters that we're going to share with you today, the first, the Tesla, the second, the Alibaba from the US market, the third and the fourth, the SCGM and OWG from the Malaysia market. So let's get it. We get into the website that I normally use, the trading view. The first stock that we're going to look at is called the Tesla, alright? Everybody know Tesla, right? So today we are not going to discuss about Elon Musk. We're not going to discuss about crypto. We're not going to discuss even Elon Musk changed his Twitter name. So we were just focusing on the Tesla chart, alright? So as you see from the chart, a very bullish chart, right? As you can see, all the MA moving average heading upwards, alright? A very bullish pull until the price as high as $1,241, and now it faces a correction. It faces a correction over here and gets supported and the MA25. So before we going further, let's set. Let me show you how to draw the support and the resistance of the chart. Alright, we get the horizontal line. Alright. Okay, alright. In technical chart, there's two way for us how to draw the support or resistance. Alright. Oh my god, it has jump out. Alright, let's continue. First, we find the highest volume, which is here. Alright, the highest volume. So the highest volume with the candlestick chart. The highest point of this candlestick itself is the support or the resistance. Alright. So as I have drawn a line here, as you can see, this itself is the line of support. As the line of support is very near with the line of MA25, so you can either choose this line or you choose MA25, it doesn't matter. Alright, so as you can see, the chart faces a correction now and it has supported on the MA25, and MA25 for me is a very crucial support. Alright, so as long as the chart, the price is supported a lot above, the MA25, I think it still has good potential for Tesla to still going upwards in the near term. Alright, so if you are holding or if you're trading the stock of Tesla, just set the moving average of your chart website, alright, to moving average MA25 and 50, then you'll be getting the same thing like this. Alright, use the MA25 as a support. As long as it's supported as on the MA25, is the uptrend formation of Tesla is still looking good. Alright, still looking good. So there's not a big issue on Tesla chart. Let's proceed to the next counter. The next counter is called BABA. Everyone know BABA, right? The Alibaba group from China, and we just surpassed the Double 11 online shopping mega sales. Alright, with billions of sales being done, but that's not what we're going to talk about. We are going to focus on the chart of Alibaba group. Alright, as you can see, wow, it's not a nice chart. It looks terrible. Alright, it's very, very terrible. As you can see, a very long downtrend, alright, begin since November of last year, which is 2020, alright, all the way from the price of $290 all the way down to the lowest of $138, alright, a big downtrend, as you can see. But now we have seen interesting, alright, interesting reversal over here. Let's zoom in. As you can see, wow, the MA, the short-term MA, which is MA10, has crossed both of the MA. Alright, this movement indicates the change of trend. Alright, normally it indicates the change of trend, but if this happens for Alibaba Alibaba chart, as you can see, it breaks the MA again. Alright, it's not so convincing for me for it to say the trend reversal has confirmed or very solid. But the next thing that you can monitor is, all right, use the same line, the horizontal line. All right, you can draw the support. As you can see, find the recent highest volume, which is this day. All right, the highest point, draw a line. So this is the support line. All right, as long as it's maintained above $160, it still has potential for it to carry out a trend reversal. All right, a trend reversal. If not, it breaks the support of $160, most probably it will still going downwards to test the support of this level, which is around 139. All right, so for me, if you ask me as a trader, this is definitely not a good chart for us to trade, because we need to focus on the uptrend stock. All right, up, believe me, trade on the uptrend stock is much easier than guessing where's the bottom, where's the reversal. Yeah, so why not you go for the many of the uptrend stock out there, right? So here's some sharing with you for the Alibaba chart. All right, so after we have been talking about two stocks from the US market, let's get to the third counter. The third counter, which is the SCGM from the Malaysia market. SCGM, if you haven't heard of it, SCGM is one of the largest packaging company in Malaysia, and it has benefited directly from the economy reopening recently in Malaysia. All right, so let's look on the chart of SCGM. All right, we drag to the longer time frame. As you can see, not bad. All right, a quite good looking chart. As you can see, the trend reversal happened here, and it's been going upwards. All right, from here, one wave, second wave, third wave. All right, and as you can see, when it comes to here, what you see is, let me draw a box for you to see clearer. All right, as you can see, the box here and here. All right, what we call this? Oh my god. All right, what we call this is a collection phase. All right, means the big boss behind, or we see the market maker, they want to wash out, they want to shake off the weak holders, those who impatient, those who cannot wait. All right, those people that will sell here and here and here. Then after shake them off, it's time for them to start the engine to move upwards again. As you can see, in the past 1 or 2 weeks, it's happening. All right, it's happening. So and you can see also the volume. All right, let me zoom in. Then you can see the volume. The volume is increasing and is increasing, so makes it more convincing. All right, makes it more convincing. So for me, this is considered a very potential chart for you to trade or even invest. You can hold for a few months. I think not a big issue. All right, as long as what you need to take care of, make sure it lies on the MA10. All right, use MA10 as the support. Why? Because MA10 itself is considered a short-term support. As long as it stay above the MA10, the dark blue line, if you can see, all right, as long as it stays above the MA10, it's still considering strong momentum. All right, still consider strong momentum. Maybe when it breaks the MA10, then it will show some weakness. Then that's a time maybe you can consider to take profit. All right, so for now, if you haven't trade or haven't invest into this counter, put it into your watch list. All right, and monitor to see if you can get any good entry. All right, so this is the SCGM, the third counter that we're going to share with you today. And next we go to the last counter, which is the OWG, the only world group. All right, for someone of you who didn't aware of this company, let me do the brief introduction, a simple introduction of this only world group. All right, only world group is one of the company that benefited directly from the economy reopening and also the travel, the tourism of Malaysia. All right, only world group, or we so call it OWG, is one of the largest operator of F&B and also the tourist attraction in Genting, Malaysia. Alright, so as we know, Genting, Malaysia is the theme park itself is reopening in end of this year. Maybe it's just 1 month time. Alright, so for me, OWG will definitely be benefited from it. Alright, so after some simple introduction, I forget to mention 40% of the sales of OWG is directly from the Genting, Malaysia. Alright, so if you see the posting in social media that Genting, Malaysia theme park is packed with huge traffic, traffic of tourists, then no doubt on OWG for sure we'll be getting a very good sales over there. Alright, so let's get into the chart. Alright, when we look at the chart, you can see that, oh yeah, the chart had already reflected ahead of the real happenings. Can you see that? Can you see that? Alright, over here, let me do a highlighting for you to see clearer. Alright, over here, a higher low, I mean a bottom. Alright, a bottom first, then over here, a higher low. Next, there's another higher low. What you can see, first higher low, second higher low. Oh, there's one more. This is a third higher low. Alright, this is a third higher low, which means 1, 2, 3 higher low. The uptrend is solid. It's a solid uptrend. Alright, solid uptrend first. The second, you can see that each of the higher low, there's a correction phase. This is a correction phase, this is a correction phase, and this is also correction phase. What is means by correction phase? Correction phase is the time where the market maker shake off the weak holders. Those who cannot wait, they will sell. Alright, so you can see that after each time of correction phase, it will go upwards. This correction phase go outwards, and this time most probably it will repeat the same movement. Alright, so this is a correction phase. That's why for me, now is the very good entry. Alright, now it's a very good entry. Alright, as you can see, it haven't moved this round. Alright, so for me, very good potential to ride on the tourism theme and break the resistance of 62 cents. Alright, 62 cents is just simple task. Alright, it's just simple task. So OWG, I set the resistance at 22 cents. Not a big issue. Alright, so I've analyzed how to look at the trend. Okay, so if you want to know more about OWG fundamental, you can check it online. There's a lot of information and a lot of studies over there. Alright, so yeah, forget to mention the support. The support, as you can see, use the MA25 as support. Alright, so you'll be doing good. For now, a very good risk and reward entry. Alright, small risk, high rewards. That's it. Okay, so that's all the counters that we're going to share with you today. 4 counters in total. The Tesla, the Alibaba, SCGM, and also the OWG. Alright, so come to the end. So here are the 4 counters that we share with you today. So we hope that you learned something from our video, and please comment below which counter that you want us to analyze. Either it to be US counter or either be the Malaysia counter, doesn't matter. We will do it for you. Alright, so don't forget to hit the like and share button, and also subscribe to our channel if you like our analysis, and make sure you don't miss our next potential stock analysis, and together we learn more real and valuable TA skills. I'm TA Bull Play, your trading buddy. Good luck. Goodbye.